getting some news that's breaking this minute, where Congress has now spelled out its agenda for the upcoming monsoon session of the Parliament. China, COVID, economy to dominate the opposition's agenda in the Parliament. Remember, the Congress is also likely to oppose 4 ordinances in the monsoon session. So this is going to be extremely crucial to see what is going to be upcoming in the monsoon session of the Parliament, with the Congress there looking at 4 agenda at this point. One is the China, COVID, economy, as well as to dominate. This is going to be dominating the agenda of the Congress in the Parliament. Remember, Congress is also likely to oppose 4 of the ordinances in the upcoming monsoon session. Let me bring in our Deputy News Editor Meenakshi Bhanja for all the updates now coming in. Meenakshi, clearly the Congress has set its agenda very clear. It has put out what it's going to be debating in the upcoming monsoon session. Take us through the details of the agenda that the Congress has now put out for the upcoming monsoon session.
Yes, Apurva, this is not going to be a smooth sailing monsoon session by the looks of it. And we had Mr. Jairam Ramesh today address the media and spell out the point-specific contentious areas, in particular for the Congress party. Remember, not just the Congress party, because like he pointed out, like Mr. Jairam Ramesh pointed out, the party is also in touch with likewise like-minded opposition parties for some sort of a joint strategy. He has spelled out clearly that the issue of China, COVID and the economy will dominate proceedings as far as Congress and like-minded opposition parties are concerned. And very importantly, Mr. Jairam Ramesh, who is the Congress whip in Rajya Sabha, he has gone on to state on record that the Congress will be opposing agriculture-related 3 specific ordinances that the government is intending on bringing in the present monsoon session. The MSP and public procurement, according to the Congress, is going to be weakened by way of these ordinances, and how the central government has not discussed the agricultural ordinances with various state governments. Alongside the banking regulation amendments bill will also be opposed by the Congress party. So out of 11 ordinances, Apurva, that the government is intending to bring in this session of Parliament, Congress will be opposing 4 of such ordinances. That apart, Mr. Jairam Ramesh also spelling out that the Congress demands for the Prime Minister to be present in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha and give responses to the party's questions pertaining to coronavirus, China and the economy.
All right, Meenakshi, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those breaking updates.